Okay students, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to create standard size photos like passport, 4R, 3R, so on. Based on that, first let me show you what are the standard size photos. So guys, you can download this photo size chart and keep it with you. Based on that, there are 8 standard photo print sizes. The first one is 2R. So you can recognize the measurement in inches as well as in centimeter here. Likewise, there are a few more standard sizes like 3R, 4R, 5R, so on. The most common one is 4R. So let me show you how to convert this photo size into 4R. So if I check the 4R size, it's about 4 by 6 inches. Now let's try to change that size here. Before that, make sure to check the actual size of this photo. To do that, choose image size, or you can use this shortcut keys. Okay, then from here you can recognize the current size of the photo. So it's about 26 inches width and 17 inches height. Also you can pick different units from this menu to check the size in different values. Okay, and the current image resolution is 72 ppi. Now guys, you should ask a question, why I checking the size? Now I want to change this photo size into 4 by 6 inches. So let's say current photo size is lesser than the size I am trying to modify. Then there will be a quality issue if I enlarge it. For example, let's say if current image size is 2 inches by 1.3 inches width, 72 dpi resolution, then if I enlarge the photo into 4 by 6 with this resolution, then photo gets blurry on print. Therefore it's always better to check the current size of the photo before you change the size. So if the current size is higher than the size you are trying to change, then it's no problem. So as far as this photo size is higher than the 4R size, I can easily change the size without losing its quality. Okay, so let's do that. If I pick crop tool from here, then I can define the custom size if I pick width, height, resolution option from this menu. Then let's type here 4 inches and in here 6 inches. Now you can see it's portrait. As I want to make it landscape, if I click this swap height and width button, I can change. Now the cropping handle is applied with the 4 by 6 inches measurement above this photo. Let's say if I want to avoid too much visibility of this background part in the print, then I can adjust the handles to fix the actual visibility of the photo in print like this. Okay, and as well as guys, I can reorganize the image within the crop boundaries if I drag like this. Okay, and in here delete crop pixels is turned on currently. Let's see what happened if I turned off and crop the image. Okay, now I am ready with the settings, and if I click this right mark button or tap enter key, photo is now cropped with this specific size. So if I tap Alt Control I to check the image size, now it's appear 4 by 6 and resolution is 300 dpi. So guys, I forgot to tell something, so make sure the resolution is in here 300 before you crop. Okay, now in here I turned off the delete crop pixels before I cropped. So if I choose image, reveal all, then I can reveal the cropped pixels in the original size. Now let's try with by turn on this option. So again, let me adjust the crop handles, right? Okay, and if I tap enter key, now if I try to reveal all options here, it's not working. So guys, you can decide whether you want to keep the cropped pixels or not by customizing this option when cropping. Okay, now you know how to crop an image with specific size. Therefore, you can try to create these sizes following the same steps. Right. Now let's try to create passport photo size using this gentleman photo. So but is a passport photo size may different according to the country. According to my country, it is 35 by 45 millimeter, and in the USA it's 2 by 2 inches or 51 by 51 millimeter. So let's try with 35 by 45 millimeter size. So again, pick crop tool, then type here 35 millimeter, and then here type 45 millimeter, and make sure resolution is 300 dpi. Now let me adjust these handles and try to align this gentleman face and chest part inside the crop boundaries. Okay, so it seems fine. And so guys, once you satisfy with the settings, then tap enter key. Now if I choose view print size, then I can view the photo how it's look like in actual print size. There we go. Now guys, let's say if you intend to print this, you will require to set up 4 photos in 4R size. Before that, you must adjust the auto level, contrast and colors. So let me do that. Okay, as well as if I tap Ctrl L, I can adjust highlight, mid-tone and shadow level if necessary. There you go. Now let's set a 4 up of this photo in 4R size to make it ready for print. So first let's change this background layer into normal layer. So let me type here passport, right, and now I'm going to change the canvas size into 4R size. So choose image, canvas size. If relative option is turned on, make sure to turn off it. Then set the unit for inches from here, and then type here 4 inch for width box and 6 in height box. Click OK. There we go. Now this document is set up for 4R size. So I'm gonna make another 3 duplicate of this photo and snap each other. Before that, choose view, show, and make sure smart guides turn on here, and as well as make sure snap option and from here snap to guide options are turned on. Then with hold the shift key, alt and shift key, let's make a duplicate and align it like this. Then again with move tool, draw a marquee to select both layers, and again make a duplicate with hold alt and shift key and align them down. Now if you open the layer panel, you can see 4 layers are generated for these photos, right? Now let's say if you are going to print You will not be able to crop it with correct proportion if you do not apply crop marks like this. So guys, in my screen ruler is already activated. If you do not have ruler, tap Ctrl R and then make sure to select all these layers. So with the move tool, let's draw a marquee to select them. Then bring some guides and snap them with the photo boundaries. So you can see guides are automatically snapped with the edges as I turned on snap to guide option in view menu. Okay, that is also fine. And also, let's say if guides are not visible after you drag them from your rulers, tap Ctrl semicolon, or you can choose view show guides. Then you will be able to see guides in your document. Okay, then let's pick the line tool from here and make sure shape option is active, and deactivate the fill option from here and activate black color stroke from here. Then let me increase the stroke weight a little bit. Okay, then let's draw a crop marks like I am doing here. There you go. Likewise guys, I want to add crop marks in these places, right? Therefore continue to add crop marks with line tool. And guys, if you fail to find the line tool, guys, it's available if you right tap the rectangle tool. Okay, now if I open layer panel, I can see there are a lot of shape layers generated for crop marks. So if I click this filter for shape layer icon, then I can see only the shape layers inside the panel. Now let me select shape layer 1 and then hold the shift key and select the shape layer 12 to select all shape layers between that. So guys, I'm gonna merge them and rename it for crop marks. To do that, right click and choose merge shapes. Then I can rename the layer, select type crop marks. There you go. Then from here, let's turn off the filter and let's click this plus mark to create a new layer, and then change the name of that layer to background, right? And then tap Ctrl Shift left square bracket key to send it behind the other all layers. Then let's click here to set foreground and background color into default mode, and then tap Shift F5 to open fill dialog box. Then choose a background option and click here. Okay, now if I tap Ctrl semicolon, I can hide guides and I can have a clear visibility of crop marks. Now guys, I can print and crop the photos from these crop lines. Okay, there we go. So guys, what about if we save this as a template? Then again and again and again, you don't need to create crop marks when you're generating passport size photos for your clients. So very simple, toggle to the save as option from here and then save the document as a PSD file. So you can type here for a passport template or whatever the name you prefer and click save. Now later on you can use this template when you're developing a passport size photos. Okay, now let me show you how to use the existing template for prepare a new passport photo for this lady. Very simple. First let's crop the image with specific photo size. So here are the values. So let me crop with that values. Okay, and then convert it to normal layer from here. Then go to your template file and tap Control semicolon to reactivate the guides. So guys, always keep in mind these guides will not print in the document even you keep activate. They are working as a non-printable lines. Okay, and make sure to delete the current photos there. So while hold the shift key you can select all photos and then tap delete key. Then drag the new photo into the template document like this and drop it here. Then click OK button and align it with the guide. Finally let's make duplicates and align them with these guides. Okay, there you go. So guys, always make sure to keep templates like this if you have regular jobs belongs to your career, if you are a photographer and running a photo studio. So in my next lecture let's focus on some more methods to fix photos using the cropping options. Thank you.